Okay, so the package comes with the cell phone holder itself, which has a nice rubber coating on the interior, which is plenty soft. These two little wings that open up with the button on the back. You press that button, boom, they're open. And it's got two little feet here on the bottom so that your phone doesn't slide out the bottom, which is really nice. And one thing I really like about this holder is that my last holder didn't have the wings, these little arms on the side were not very long this way. So when I put my phone case in and clamp it, the front would always flop out like this. And you know, you're going up some hills in Austin here or around corners or whatever, and your phone will be flopping around, which is not good, not safe. What I like about this one is that these arms are nice and long, so that when you clamp your phone in here, even if you have a phone case with lots of cards in it and stuff like that, it's plenty snug. It's not going to come loose once it's tight. With the phone in there, it works great. So the kit comes with the holder itself, the CD slot piece, which this fits in the slot right here, and then you tighten the knob to lock it in, and then this little ring right here, which goes on the ball, and then you snap this in here like so. And we're not going to tighten it down all the way right now. We're just going to snug it up just a little bit, just so we can get our placement correct. Now on this car, my old phone holder was here in the cup holder, and it was big and bulky, and it was always in the way of the shifter. It was in the way of your arm. You couldn't have two cups in the cup holders because it was taking up one of them. When the passenger's in the car, anybody that's sitting in the front seat was bumping into it and everything. It was just a nuisance, and it was just big, bulky, and ugly. This one, however, is very sleek, very small, and fits right in the CD slot, which is nowadays, to be honest, who uses CDs, right? So on my car, I'm gonna have it mounted off to the right because I want to be able to get to my hazard button if I should need it. So I'm gonna slide this thing all the way over to the right. My hazard button is still plenty accessible. I can still get to all these buttons here. I can work everything on the dashboard. I can still get to all the buttons on my screen here. So it's a perfect location. So I'm going to slide it in, slide it all the way to the right, and tighten that down. And that's where the phone is going to go. Now what I want to do is I want to gently remove it without messing with the adjustment, and I want to tighten this up right here, because once you have it installed here, you're not going to be able to get to this little ring. So you want to crank that down nice and tight so your phone doesn't wobble around, and change position while you're driving. Slide it back in the slot, crank that down, and pop that little button open there, put the case in there, slide it shut, nice and firm. Look at that. No wobble, my case is not flopping around, and I've already been using this for several days, and I can tell you on the roads here in Austin, which are notoriously bumpy, the phone has never moved one time. So it's nice and firm, solid grip, it's good quality, it's money well spent. If you're looking for a phone holder that doesn't take up a lot of space, that's good quality, holds your phone where you want it to be, and works great, I would recommend this one. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.